Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you something that'll make your life so much easier if you ever deal with long, messy URLs. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn exactly how you can shorten URLs directly inside Google Sheets, so you don't have to mess around with external sites or complicated copy-pasting. By the end, you'll know how to add a simple extension and use it to tidy up all those links in just a few clicks. Let's get right to it. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is download an add-on called Advanced URL Shortener. Now you might be thinking, why can't I just copy-paste my link into some online tool? Well, the beauty of doing it this way is that it keeps your workflow all in one place, especially if you're already working in Google Sheets, no extra tabs or tools needed. So to get this add-on, just head to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Type in Advanced URL Shortener, and when you find it, click that Install button. Don't worry if you haven't installed an add-on in Sheets before. The process is super straightforward, and Google will walk you through giving any necessary permissions. Just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. Once the add-on is finished installing, hang tight for just a second. Sometimes it can take a few moments. When that's done, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet or reload it if it was already open. Now to get started, go up to the top menu bar, look for the Extensions menu, and there you'll see Advanced URL Shortener has been added. Give that a click and select Start. What this does is open a side panel, or a menu that's basically your control center for working with links right inside your spreadsheet. Next up, you'll want to grab the URL you're hopping to shorten. Maybe you've got a long Google Drive link you want to share with a team, or perhaps you're compiling a list of resources and those links are just taking up way too much room. Whatever it is, just copy the URL and click into the cell where you want it in your Google Sheet. Paste it there just like you normally would. Now here's the cool part. With that cell selected, and you can do this with one or even a whole batch of URLs if you're working with more, head back to the Advanced URL Shortener extension that's open in your menu. Look for the option that says Shorten Selected and click on it. This tells the add-on to focus on whatever cells you've picked. When you're ready, just hit Process. This next part might take a moment or two, especially if you're working on a bunch of links at once, so don't worry if you see a little loading sign or if nothing seems to happen right away. The add-on is reaching out to its shortening service and working its magic in the background. And just like that, when it's done, you'll see your long, bulky URLs transformed into short, neat links right there in your sheet. That's literally all there is to it. So simple and such a game changer if you deal with links in any kind of spreadsheet workflow. If you ran into any snags, don't sweat it. Sometimes add-ons need an extra refresh or you might need to check the permissions. But for the most part, that's all you need to start shortening URLs directly in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Drop your questions or share your experience in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss tips and tricks like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.